In today's video, we're going to talk about cases, document, email NVC is working on, and also talk a little bit about US Consulate. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde, and welcome back, and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Today I have another video for you guys, and like I said in the introduction, today we're going to talk about cases, document, email NVC is working on, and also talk a little bit about US consulate. Okay, so if you are a petitioner, you petition for a relative, either your spouse or your children, your parents, your siblings, and your case is approved by USCIS recently, you probably want to know when NVC National Visa Center will contact you. Okay, so I've been receiving all those messages every day. People want to know when NVC gonna contact them. It's taking too long and all that. So that's why I try to update you guys every week about cases they are working on. Okay, some of you guys, maybe you are new to this, you don't know exactly how the process works. So once your case is approved by USCIS, and like I always say, it will go to NVC National Visa Center, and then from there, before NVC National Visa Center contacts you, they have to put all your information in their system, create a visa case for you. If they don't create a visa case for you, they won't be able to contact you, because after creating a visa case, that's when they're gonna give you the case number and invoice ID, which you're going to use to log into the computer electronic application center to check the status of your case. Okay, so yesterday, which was July 27, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they receive on June 30 for 2020, which is like almost a month ago. So now they're kind of slowing down on working on cases again. Last week was like almost 2 weeks. They start working on cases, but this week it's like almost a month before they start working on those cases. Okay, so once you receive all the information, you need to log into the computer electronic application center. You will pay fees, you submit a different form. Then after you submit those forms, what NVC gonna do, NVC gonna review those documents. All the documents you submitted, either it's a civil document or for the visa applicant, or document of for the petitioner, like affidavit of support and all the financial document. NVC will review all those documents. Okay, so once they review, if they accept it, they will send notification that okay, your document, you are documentary qualified, meaning that you're gonna wait for interview. But if they didn't accept all your document and something is wrong with some of your document, they're gonna reject the document and ask you to resubmit those documents again. So yesterday also, which was July 27, NVC announced on their website that they are reviewing cases they received on April 22nd. So this one didn't change since last week. So last week they said the same thing, that they are working on, they are reviewing document they received on April 22nd, and this week also they say the same thing. Okay, so nothing is changing there, because like I told you guys, now NVC is reviewing document of people who won't be affected by the immigration suspension before start working on document of people who are affected by the immigration suspension. So it's kind of, there is a delay over there a little bit. Okay, but hopefully everything gonna start moving quickly. So as far as email, sometimes some of you guys want some particular question you want to ask NVC, so you send them email through the public inquiry form. So yesterday on July 27, they say they are responding to email they received on July 20. So that one, they keep doing it every week. So every week now, like every 7 days, they are responding to email they received. That's a good news right there, because they didn't change that one. At least you will get a response back, about your question, maybe to clarify some of the doubt or some of the rumor, or maybe to let you know exactly what's going on with your case. So at least they're gonna respond to your email and let you know. Okay, so now as far as US consulate, we know that they are resuming their visa services. They are not resuming all visa services yet. I keep receiving questions regarding whether or not this U.S. consulate, U.S. consulate from this city is working, U.S. consulate from that city is working. I don't know, guys. I don't have all those information in front of me. Like I told you guys, that the best thing to do is to call the U.S. consulate yourself. Call them yourself. They will tell you exactly if they are working on, maybe you are you apply for K1 visa, they can tell you if they are working on K1 visas now, or they will tell you in general what kind of visa they are offering right now. Okay, if you receive a visa before the pandemic, you need to contact NVC for that, because I made a video the other day. Now they offering like 1 month extension for people who receive a visa between January 1st, 2020 to June 30 for 2020. Either you receive your visa before that, or I mean during that period, or you get your medical examination during that period. They are offering 1 month extension. If that 1 month extension will help you to travel to United States of America, you're gonna be able to travel to United States of America during that time frame, 1 month, one additional month. Then they will give it to you. But in case you cannot travel, then you have to wait till you get another examination, a medical examination, or you get another immigrant visa to come to United States of America. And also, a friend of mine told me that was Sunday. We talked on the phone on Sunday. He told me that his wife went to the visa interview. So it means that, yeah, of course, U.S. Consulate resuming their visa services, because his wife interview was scheduled before the pandemic. Now they call her, she went to the interview. So some of you guys whose interview was scheduled before the pandemic, you have to check your email or maybe your mailbox to see if you didn't receive any new letter from U.S. Embassy, because they have to send you another interview appointment in order for you to go to the appointment. And like I said, this one is for people who are not affected by the immigration suspension, because my friend, he's a U.S. citizen. So for people who are affected by immigration suspension, you have to wait till this immigration suspension is over, which is gonna be December 31st of 2020, and hopefully it will be over. That way your spouse, your children, your relative will go to the visa interview to get a visa to come to United States of America. So in general, that's what I want to talk about today. Cases, document, email, NVC is working on, and also tell you that, yeah, of course, U.S. Consulate resuming their visa services, because I know somebody whose wife, I just told you, my friend whose wife went to the visa interview. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who needs to watch this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more video like this one, all you gotta do is click on this. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.